Tough Grid 750 pounds black paracord parachute cord, genuine mil-spec type IV 750 pounds paracord used by the US military, Mil C5040H, 100% nylon, made in the USA. 50 Fort, black. Premium cord, at a bargain price. Note, packaged according to length. 50, 100 and 150 footers come coiled in bags, 200 footers on a tube, and 500 and 1000 footers on a spool. 1000 footers may come in up to 2 non-spliced sections. Please see packaging images on left. Cord diameter measures 3/16 plus 1/32. We want to be your go-to source for great Type 4 mil-spec paracord. Thousands of reviewers agree this is the best paracord they have ever used. Peace of mind. There's nothing quite like it. Go ahead, string up a hammock, rig your sails, secure your tent or make an emergency tourniquet. The extra 200 pounds of strength beats regular 550 cord and is there to protect you when you really need it. Our 100% nylon, 11 triple strands, Tough Grid cord is never spliced and is made with USA pride and craftsmanship, which gives you that great feeling that you got what you paid for and are helping keep America strong. Tough as nails, while soft and flexible, spending time in the outdoors is a great pastime, but can be dangerous. Safety and preparation are critical, especially for the young and old who are much more vulnerable to the elements. Tough Grid paracord gives you an excellent lifeline when your family needs some strong, lightweight cordage. You can enjoy the outdoors knowing you have the toughest cord around and that it's ready when you are. Veteran recommended with hundreds of reviews from US military veterans like these. They have mine and my family's business for life. Get some, see for yourself, worth the price, and this is a Class A product. It will save your life. Take it from the experts and change the way you camp, hike, survive and make paracord projects. Whether sheltering in place, click the link to get this product today at the best price and read the real customer reviews.